what's your name, Mr. Trandon? That's not an easy name to say. Chili? Yeah. Chili Pteranodon. Alright, well, just back it up, Mr. Close Talker. Alright, get off. Alright, I'm gonna walk over here. Well, hello, everybody. My name's Trina Triceratops. Well, how are you? So, what do you do for fun around here? Do a puppet show? Okay. I'm a dinosaur. I don't know what a puppet show means.
I mean, all the people come here to see us make a puppet show.
Oh, well, you know, you're stepping out from,
And the only person not see our faces.
Okay.
Only see our puppets.
Okay, are you talking to Dad or are you talking to the puppet here?
Puppets.
Okay. I get the idea of a puppet show. We're putting on a play here, pal. Let's go. Let's try to stay in character.